Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a decorating for fall. And I know I haven't been on for a hot minute. It was like the end of summer, then the girl's birthday party, then back-to-back weddings. And one of my close friends, I was a bridesmaid, the girls were flower girls. It was just like an all-weekend thing. Then, of course, the whole fam got sick. And it's been a really long 2 weeks of sickness. So refreshing, I can't tell you enough, just to be able to make a coffee, do my hair, do a face mask, and to completely just heal and zen on my own. Because I think when you have kids and your focus is obviously your main focus is making sure that they're healing, and then it hits you and then you're just down for like twice as long. And I've just been hoping that they don't get it again. So you guys know the sickness train, and such a fall girl at heart, but I hate the sickness and just everything that comes along with it, with the cold weather. And so it just reminds me to really take in and embrace those small moments and just completely heal my body and mind. Do a full home decorating video. And again, we've got lots of cleaning. I've just been cleaning the house like crazy. Again, sickness. Yeah, I thought we could reset today and I could share with you guys a little bit of my week, and we can do some organizing, cleaning, and decorating, which are my three most favorite things ever, as you guys know. So if you guys like watching these types of videos, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you're having a fantastic week, and let's roll right in. Just want to show you guys the cutest little lunch bags. These are the girls, and they've been really liking them, but these two, so look how cute these are. Put some spaghetti in here because we had that for dinner yesterday. I'm just gonna do some snacks, and I'm having my coffee this morning. Cheers. So FYI, I just found this candle. I forgot it was in our master bedroom. This is the best smelling candle for fall. Voluspa, this is the vanilla latte. Oh my goodness. And these are the 5-wick candles. Like, you'll never burn through this. I burnt it yesterday while I was cooking dinner, and it smells heavenly. So today is a shopping day and a cleaning day, but I wanted to show you my new little pumpkin. There's not much out for fall right now because it's already on to Halloween, but I mean, yeah, and the last 2 weeks I've been sick, so I haven't been able to go, but I want to pick up just a couple more things, and I'm also going to Mexico for Chantel's wedding, so I have to get some Mexico outfits. I also got my little pink pumpkins. These were down in the basement. And then I just have my fall florals up here, which this is probably my favorite arrangement. These are from Michael's, and they're still really nice. I picked this up last week. This smells so good too. And it's so fall. I tried to find a hand soap that just would look really nice in our kitchen, and it kind of goes with all the little fall pieces that I have. So, vanilla maple. Good morning. Today is going to be a full cleaning day. I want to get everything off of my island, including all of my handbags that are probably getting dusty over there, and redo my entire clothing area because I do have a lot of sweaters that I haven't even pulled out yet. And yeah, I've got dresses hanging because I go to Mexico in, I think, like, it's almost less than 2 weeks now. This is the dress I have for Chantel's wedding. It's really nice and long. It's Australian brand, actually. And yes, I had to pay crazy duties on it, so I better wear it this right here, Baby Boo. And then the dress underneath was just my bridesmaid's dress for the wedding that I just had. See, I have all my fall colors, so I kind of want to bring all of these out too. I've got a bunch of containers up there with more purses, and I don't even know what's going on over here. This is just a mess. At the girls' birthday party, so I just had stuff moved everywhere. Fragrances, stuff, just everywhere. All my pictures of my little babies. I've grown up so fast. So yeah, I made them like a big collage, which I'll go get it and I'll show you. It's been something I've been making for friends, and I was like, I have to do one for the girls, and I still have to put it up in their room. Oh, look how freaking cute this collection is. I can't. Anything with teddy bears. I've been using the teddy emoji so much lately too. It's just warm and fuzzy, and I love it. I actually bought the girls the cutest teddy bears too from HomeSense, and I love them. I kind of want to steal one. But we've got my makeup bag here, the puffy tote. Just been honestly doing lots of organizing. This is what happens when you have children. I still have to get the sticker off that Sophia put there. Then I had color transfer. So this bag has been through it, you guys. I definitely need to fix that at some point. My little shopping cart, this was from the girl's birthday party, which honestly, this is so cute. I still want to use that. I've just been putting little pumpkins out everywhere. I think these are from HomeSense. Did bring my vase up, which this is by far my favorite. Yes. She's not cheap. She's from Crate and Barrel and expensive, but look at that. Like, I feel like it's so warm, so inviting. I have my ottoman right here. Oh, these I actually bought recently. I'm gonna use these in Mexico, which I think are so nice. Like, I really love these sandals. So yeah, there's hair, there's dust. I need to do a wipe through of this. It's been driving me a little crazy. Well, it's not too bad actually, because I just reorganized this, but I like to take everything out, do a wipe through, and even in here, there's just like, yeah, just stuff everywhere. My mini tote and also my puffy tote have been looking so nice. I feel like I'm just always decorating my closet, and I have these as decor. As you guys know, the pants fall off. Oops. The beaded keychain. This is my favorite. Using my favorite fragrance right now because I lent it to my friend that got married, the Rare Beauty. So I really need that back because that is my go-to fragrance. I want to bring it to Mexico as well. My favorite one's back here, but my absolute favorite has been the Rare Beauty one. It smells so good and the bottle's so pretty. Also have my little hair, my hair mist or my hairspray. I have Flower Nose, a little lip gloss that I have right there. I got from Michael's, which I just think is very vintage looking. And sweaters, I have these ones up right now, but again, I want to just fill it a little bit more because I feel like it's a bit empty. And yeah, I definitely want to bring out the fall coziness. I've got lots of blazers here, but I definitely want the big cozy sweaters. The thing I've started doing though, I've started to get ready in this mirror, which I love this mirror so much. I think I have to start doing it more in my reels and YouTube and everything like that, because I find myself getting ready and I'm just like, why am I not filming right now? I feel like it'd be a really good time. And the new products I've been using, because I've been really mastering my fall makeup routine. And I've, again, just got cute little pumpkins everywhere. I wish I could find this again because I love bigger candles, but I have yet to find this candle. I'll put these in the girls' room, but I got these for their birthday party, which was one of my favorite things to do, a little do-it-yourself charm bracelet section. Just all off Temu, like the actual charms and the bracelets, but I just think it was such a cute idea, so I'm gonna put that in the room. This is my life, all day, every day, just laundry. I just need to organize all of my makeup drawers at some point here because there's just stuff everywhere. And it has just been getting thrown in here, and I keep buying new makeup and then I am like unsure of where to put everything. You can see like on my counter, I just have stuff everywhere. This line is at Sephora and I've been obsessed. Right here, the Bounce Cream. I actually am gonna go get another one, but look at how nourishing this is. Like, it's insane. It just hydrates your skin on another level. I haven't tried this yet, which is the cleansing balm, so I think I'll try that. I have a mask too that I haven't tried. Look at that. I'm like excited to try this. And other thing, Pat McGrath just came out with a new foundation. I've been seeing it everywhere, so I want to go get that. You know I love foundation. And then also this right here, I've been going in with the Glow Recipe glass bombs and then alternating with this at night, which this is the new Charlotte Tilbury lip changing lip mask. And like, look at this packaging. I did buy it for the packaging, but it also is really just been really loving this. And I just got sent the Glow Recipe, their new prickly pear peptide serum. So I've been trying that out. Just the other day, I actually tried on the girl's hair and it's super nourishing. I think I might go get the full size of this. I've been using too, which I just, honestly, Origins, this eye cream has been one of my favorites since I was in my early 20s. It's been out forever, but this is the ginseng eye cream. I really like this. And then I just got sent, I just put them away yesterday, but all of these lip liners and then lip glosses, these are all fall colors, which I love. That's like one of the really dark ones, but all of them are just really nice fall tones and they're matte. So I have all of those. Like, look, if you guys want to see a makeup organizing video, let me know. Wow, look at that color. Like, I love fall shades. But yeah, I definitely need to do some organizing. Then I got sent the Flower Nose collection, this Sweetie Bear collection. Look at this freaking packaging. Like, are you kidding me? Perfect for the girl's birthday party because I did the sleepover slumber party. Oh, yeah, like look how pretty these are. Like plum tones right now. And I don't know, fall comes and I just tend to go for darker makeup. Packaging is so cute. Here I have like all my little drawers. Got lots of flower nose in here. So show you guys the collage that I made for the girls. Look how cute. This in their bedroom, but just so many photos. Their other birthdays and just so cute. They were really happy with it and they loved it. Mirror, I think I'm gonna put at my makeup vanity, so I'm gonna bring that up. Just something about fall I love so much. Just the colors, the warmness, and I'm really excited. I need to get more hangers so I can get more fall sweaters up there. I'll probably do that today, place an order on Amazon, and then look for some more fall cozy sweaters because I definitely think that like browns, neutrals, warm tones, that's totally my vibe. And I love how this turned out too. I'm really happy with it. I just wanted like some pumpkins. I wanted fall tones. Got my little slippers right there too. Yeah, I like how it turned out. Saying this on my Instagram though, but one step at a time, you guys, especially after being sick. I feel like if I conquer one area at a time, it's a little bit easier than if I'm trying to do room by room by room. So closet was today, and then I'm gonna head over to my makeup vanity. I also wanted to mention, if you guys really want to see a lot of cleaning organizational videos, I do reels every single week and I go really, really in depth on my cleaning. We'll share some of them in my video today with you. But yeah, that's also, just thought I'd point that out because I am a cleaning freak, constantly cleaning, and I just feel like it's the best way to reset because I'm meeting my friend at the mall soon. So let's just get this going and get everything away. Just one. Okay, much better. I feel like it's clutter-free now, and I have all my skincare right here, and then just my little makeup drawers. This little organizer I have from Temu, it's like a little shopping cart, just with some makeup that I like, really pretty makeup. So got that. I've got my Paris candle right here. I've got all my, I like having my skincare in one designated area because it reminds me to just take a minute to do my skincare, and that's really important. So I do have everything out. And then here I just have my makeup bag, my puffy tote, and some brushes. I have a new vanity chair coming, so you guys are gonna see that soon, which I cannot wait to share with you. Very exciting things coming. I just added some different colored pants right here too, some warm tones. I love these hangers. They are my absolute favorite. The gold just ties into fall so much. So I have that, and again, the clothing rack is from Temu. So yeah, I just have like some skirts and stuff here, and then like white pants, but I just feel like they're so nicely displayed. It's almost like it's my little shopping center here. And these I got from Aritzia, very fall. So I wanted to do a little giveaway with you guys. As you know, I try to do them in all my YouTube videos. So I'm going to be giving away an entire collection. This is my latest launch. So we have the puffy tote, comes fully loaded with stuff inside, you guys. So many things, including a full-size brush set and endless keychains. So all you guys have to do is comment down below what you love most about fall, and I will announce the winner in my next video. That was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, it's so nice to be back finally. I kind of want to get back into the routine of making a few videos a week for you. So let's push through and see if I can do that. And if you have any recommendations for new videos, content for fall, let me know. But yeah, it's so nice to actually feel alive again. It has been a really difficult last few weeks. You can still hear it in my voice, which is crazy. It just lingers for so long. But I'm on the healing path now, and I feel like I'm getting back to myself and just, I basically just binged Summer I Turned Pretty. And I mean, the last episode, I was so happy. So it ended really good. And then I can't believe it's going to be a movie. That's crazy. I hope you guys are having a great week. And thank you so much for all the love. Can't wait to hear from you. And I will see you guys in my next video.